Ever locked yourself out of your Cognizant account and panicked? First, take a deep breath. Account unlocks are often easier than you think. Let's go through the steps to regaining access. The primary method for unlocking your account is usually the self-service portal. Head to either the Cognizant intranet or your company's designated online platform. Look for a link that says "Forgot Password" or something similar. Clicking this will often begin the account recovery process. This will often require you to answer security questions you set up during account creation. Questions about your favorite color, your mother's maiden name, or other personal details. Provide the correct answers to verify your identity. You might use a two-factor authentication method, which could involve receiving a unique code on your registered phone, email, or through an authenticator app. After successful verification, the system will prompt you to reset your password. Create a new, strong password that meets Cognizant's requirements, typically a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Choose a password you will remember. If the self-service options don't work, don't worry. Contact the IT help desk. You'll find their contact information readily available on the Cognizant intranet platform or on your company's internal resource pages. They can assist you by following Cognizant IT support policies. That's it. Use these steps to unlock your Cognizant account, stay productive, and recover your access. Make sure to refer to your company's internal documentation.